The F-15EX just shattered expectations, achieving an 83% mission readiness rate, while the F-35 struggles to reach 67. Across the Pacific, China watches with unease, and deep inside Russia's defense circles, alarm bells are ringing. A single Eagle II can now command an entire squadron of autonomous Ghostbat drones, each armed, aware, and ready to strike without hesitation. This isn't a concept for tomorrow. It's a transformation happening today. The age of manned dominance has fused with artificial intelligence, creating a weapon network no rival can match. What you're about to see isn't the future of air combat. It's the beginning of a new military order, where human instinct meets machine precision and changes warfare forever. Welcome to Aviation Heights, the home of precision storytelling and deep military insight. Here, we uncover how technology, strategy, and innovation are reshaping the skies of modern warfare. Every episode takes you behind the cockpit and inside the command centers defining tomorrow's air dominance. Stay tuned, because today's story reveals the most lethal partnership ever built. While other nations race toward untested sixth-generation prototypes, the United States has taken a different path, combining proven airframes with revolutionary autonomy. Instead of chasing stealth perfection, America perfected coordination between human pilots and intelligent machines. The result is a system that multiplies power instantly, transforming one jet into an entire squadron. This isn't just progress, it's strategic evolution. The fusion of the F-15EX and Ghostbat has redefined what dominance in modern airspace truly means. The F-15EX Eagle II stands as a modern legend, an aircraft that bridges 4 decades of heritage with the demands of 21st-century combat. Its mission-capable rate of 83% outperforms billion-dollar stealth programs that still struggle with reliability. Carrying over 29,000 pounds of ordnance, the Eagle II delivers more firepower than any other American fighter. Twin General Electric F-110 engines propel it to Mach 2.5, ensuring unmatched reach and speed. Yet, the real transformation lies in its brain, a digital fly-by-wire system that reacts faster than human reflexes, paired with an APG-82 AESA radar that tracks threats before they even know they've been targeted. The Advanced Electronic Warfare Suite turns a visible fighter into a ghost of its own, jamming, deceiving, and surviving in contested skies. Its combat record remains untarnished, over 100 victories without a single loss. The Eagle's new twin-seat layout introduces a battlefield quarterback, a weapons systems operator managing drones, sensors, and strikes simultaneously. Boeing engineered this platform for seamless manned-unmanned teamwork, making the F-15EX not just a fighter, but a command hub at supersonic speed. It's proof that evolution, not replacement, defines true air power. Enter the MQ-28 Ghostbat, a creation that merges artificial intelligence with lethal intent. Designed as a loyal wingman, it thinks, adapts, and fights alongside human pilots with precision beyond human limits. Stretching 38 feet in length and shaped for stealth, its radar signature is nearly invisible. Twin internal weapon bays conceal advanced AIM-120 and AIM-9X missiles, giving it both long-range and close combat capability. But the Ghostbat's greatest power lies in its autonomy. It can change flight paths mid-mission, identify emerging threats, and execute coordinated maneuvers without a single manual command. During Royal Australian Air Force testing, Ghostbats demonstrated flawless synchronization with manned fighters, adjusting formations and strategies in real time. Each test flight refined its decision-making algorithms, learning from every engagement. Upgraded Block II variants bring extended wings, hardened electronic defenses, and faster AI processing cores that react in milliseconds. With production costs far lower than manned jets, Ghostbats can be deployed aggressively into high-risk zones, striking where humans cannot. It is a platform that turns expendability into advantage and autonomy into dominance. The Ghostbat doesn't replace the pilot. It amplifies the mission, transforming warfare from human reaction to machine intuition. When the F-15EX and Ghostbat drones unite, air power reaches a new dimension. The Eagle becomes a flying command hub, directing autonomous wingmen that see farther and react faster. Live tests proved one pilot could command multiple Ghostbats, turning a single jet into an entire squadron. Data from each drone merges into one digital battlespace, enabling split-second strikes. Human instinct pairs with machine precision, forming a perfect alliance of speed and control. Together, they don't just fight, they dominate, transforming the sky into a networked weapon system no adversary can challenge. Imagine a formation of Russian Su-35s patrolling contested skies, confident in their radar range and missile reach. Suddenly, their systems detect faint signatures, too dispersed to identify, too coordinated to ignore. Ghostbats have already penetrated deep into the zone, relaying every movement to an F-15EX positioned hundreds of miles away. Within seconds, the Eagle launches long-range missiles while its drones close the distance, attacking from multiple vectors. Against China's J-20 stealth fighters, the combination becomes even more devastating. Distributed Ghostbat formations triangulate their positions using passive infrared sensors to reveal what radar cannot. Each maneuver traps opponents in overlapping kill zones, leaving no path to escape. Even surface-to-air defenses crumble when autonomous wingmen draw enemy fire and expose hidden batteries. Together, these machines create a layered offense that overwhelms human reaction. This is no simulation. It's a glimpse of future combat, where speed, intelligence, and coordination outmatch every traditional defense strategy. The fusion of the F-15EX and Ghostbat isn't theory. It's proven performance. During recent joint exercises, autonomous drones executed synchronized missions alongside crewed fighters and early warning aircraft. They launched, navigated, and landed without human correction, responding instantly to dynamic threats. Integration with E-7 command platforms confirmed stable data links, even in jamming environments. Maintenance crews reported record turnaround times, while operational costs dropped dramatically compared to traditional sorties. These trials validated a new model of warfare: fewer pilots, greater reach, and constant readiness. What once seemed experimental now defines America's active combat capability for the decade ahead. The alliance between the F-15EX and Ghostbat marks a turning point in global defense strategy. NATO partners and U.S. allies are already studying this system, recognizing its potential to secure airspace without escalating fleet costs. Boeing's scalable production ensures rapid deployment across multiple nations, while open architecture software allows instant upgrades through digital integration. With Ghostbats costing a fraction of manned fighters, nations gain maximum deterrence for minimal expense. This combination of affordability, adaptability, and overwhelming capability guarantees long-term air superiority. The future of warfare won't belong to the stealthiest jet. It will belong to the smartest network. When a single fighter commands autonomous squadrons, when artificial intelligence multiplies human instinct, and when proven airframes evolve faster than new prototypes, dominance becomes destiny. The F-15EX and Ghostbat partnership doesn't just change how wars are fought. It redefines victory itself. This is the dawn of a smarter battlefield, built on precision, strategy, and speed. You've been watching Aviation Heights. Subscribe, stay informed, and witness the technology shaping tomorrow's skies today.